Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to play YouTube videos from your computer to your TV. So once you're on YouTube and you have a video that you're playing, let's say I have this video. And if I want to play this video on my TV, on the lower right hand side, you'll see the YouTube player options, right? And you'll see this one here that says play on TV, right? So if you hover over it, it will say play on TV. And what this is going to do, once you click on it, it's going to give you the option to cast it to your device or cast it to your TV. So as you can see right here, this is a video at the top and it detects my TV, and it tells me that I can just simply click on this and it's going to cast to my TV. So once I click on that, it's going to try to connect to my TV and open up with the YouTube there, and you will see that it's now casting directly to my TV. And as you can see, it's connected there, and now this video will be played directly on my TV. And one of the cool things that actually happens right behind me right there is that it automatically turns on my TV because I have a Google Chromecast connected to my TV. What's happening there is that it literally turns on my TV and start to play the video right behind me. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.